Okay students, next some more examples we'll see. So in that integration of secant x into log of secant x plus tan x. So in this simply assume that put log of secant x plus tan x is equal to t. So by substituting this and then differentiating this with respect to x on both the sides, log x derivative is 1 by x, you know. 1 by x is 1 by secant x plus tan x into again differentiation of inner differentiation will do secant x derivative is secant x into tan x plus tan x differentiation is secant square x into dx is equal to dt. So from this here in these two terms numerator secant x if taken common, so you will be getting tan x plus secant x into dx by secant x plus tan x is equal to dt. So these two gets cancelled. Finally what you are left with secant x dx is equal to dt simply. So going back to the integration of, so here secant x dx is nothing but dt and we had assumed this as t, so t dt, that is equal to integration of t square by 2 plus c. So t is what? Log of secant x plus tan x whole square by 2 plus c. That is the final answer. Okay. Second one, integration of tan cube x minus x tan square x dx suppose. So in this, write this like this. In this clearly we can take out tan square x common, so we will be left with tan x minus x into tan square x dx. So tan square x is nothing but secant square x minus 1 into tan x minus x dx. Now in this put tan x minus x dx, x is equal to t. Okay. Now if you observe this, we had substituted this tan x minus x as t. So tan x differentiation is secant square x minus x differentiation is 1 into dx is equal to dt. So going back to the integration of this one we got as dt and this one we had assumed as t. So t dt we are going to get nothing but t square by 2 plus c. So t is what? Tan x minus x whole square by 2 plus c. Okay. One more problem next. Integration of secant x into tan x by 2 plus tan square x dx. So first we change is integration of secant x into tan x as it is by 2 plus tan square x is nothing but what? Secant square x minus 1 dx. So what you are getting? Secant x into tan x by 1 plus secant square x we are getting dx. So here what we will do is put secant x is equal to t. So what is differentiation of secant x? Secant x into tan x dx is equal to dt. So if you observe, going back to the integration, secant x into tan x dx is equal to dt we got, and 1 by 1 plus t square dt we are going to get. This is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. So tan inverse of t plus c. So tan inverse of t is what? Secant x. So tan inverse of secant x plus c we got. Okay. Next coming to problem number 4. Problem number 4. Integration of log of x by x plus 1 whole square by x into x plus 1 dx. So here put log of x by x plus 1 as t. So initially log a by b form we have, so log a minus log b we can write this is equal to t. Now I am going to differentiate. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x, differentiation of log x plus 1 is 1 by x plus 1, dx is equal to dt. So on simplifying this, x plus 1 minus x by x into x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So x gets cancelled, we are left with 1 by x into x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So you can, going back to the integration, we had assumed this log of x by x plus 1 as t. So t square into 1 by x plus x into x plus 1 dx is equal to dt we got. So t square dt simply. So that is equal to t cube by 3 plus c. So t is what? Log of x by x plus 1 whole cube by 3 plus c is the final answer. Next, coming to question number 5. Integration of x plus e power x into sin x plus cos x plus sin x cos x by x square plus 2 e power x into cos x minus cos square x dx. So if you observe here clearly, problem is very big, but don't get confused. Observe the numerator and denominator carefully. X square derivative is 2x. We need 2 here. 2 e power x into cos x derivative is this one only. Again we need 2 here. Minus cos square x derivative is here plus 2 sin x cos x only. So again we need 2 here. So for that what we will do is first we will multiply and divide by 2. So 1 by 2 of integration of 2x plus 2 e power x into sin x plus cos x plus 2 sin x into cos x by x square plus 2 e power x into cos x minus cos square x dx. Now put x square plus 2 e power x cos x minus cos square x is equal to t. So that implies derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 2 e power x into cos x is 2 e power x into sin x plus cos x, derivative of cos square x is plus 2 sin x into cos x only, dx is equal to dt. So 1 by 2 of integration of this one we got as dt and this one we had assumed as t. So that is equal to half of integration of 1 by 2 dt. So 1 by t integration is what? Log t. So log t plus c, that is equal to half of log t. What is t here? We had assumed t is x square plus 2 e power x cos x minus cos square x plus c. Okay. Next, coming to question number 6. Integration of cos of root theta by root theta into sin square of root theta into d theta. So here put sin of root theta is equal to t. So by differentiating this with respect to theta on both the sides, what you are going to get? Cos of root theta into 1 by 2 root theta d theta is equal to dt. So cos of root theta by root theta into d theta is equal to 2 dt. Okay, so what you are going to get? We had assumed sine of root theta as a t, so 1 by t square into dt you are going to get. So that is t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c, nothing but minus 1 by t plus c, or minus 1 by t is what? Sine of root theta plus c. Coming to question number 7. Integration of e power x square plus log x dx. Here this is equal to integration of e power x square into e power log x dx. So here put, this is nothing but what? Integration of e power x square into, this is nothing but what? X only, no? Here base will be e, so this value will be equal to x dx. So here put x square is equal to t, so 2x dx is equal to dt, or x dx is equal to dt by 2. So integration of e power x square we had assumed as t, x dx is equal to dt by 2. So 1 by 2 of e power t, integration is e power t only. E power t integration is e power t only plus c. So half of e power t is what? X square plus c. This is the final answer. Next, coming to 8th one. Integration of dx by e power x plus 1. Here what I will do is, generally what is given? Integration of 1 by e power x plus 1 dx is given. So I will add and subtract e power x in the numerator. 1 plus e power x minus e power x by e power x plus 1 dx. So here integration of, on separating this by this gives 1 dx minus integration of e power x by e power x plus 1 dx. So here 1 dx is, however, it is equal to x. Here put in the second integration, put e power x plus 1 is equal to t. So e power x differentiation is e power x dx is equal to dt. So minus integration of e power x plus 1 is equal to t, e power x dx is equal to dt by t. So x minus integration of 1 by t is log t plus c. So x minus log of t is what? E power x plus 1 plus c is the final answer. Next, 9th one. Integration of e power x into 1 plus x by sine square of x into e power x dx. So here put x into e power x is equal to t. So what you are going to get? X, e power x derivative is e power x only. E power x into dx is equal to dt, nothing but, which is nothing but e power x if taken common. E power x into 1 plus x dx is equal to dt. So numerator is equal to dt here by sine square of t, no? So sine square of t, that is equal to integration of cosecant square t dt. So what is the formula here? Minus cot t plus c. So minus cot t is x into e power x plus c. So this is the final answer. So Hope you all understood this substitution method very easily. And if some more problems, some easy problems of worksheet I had prepared, that I'll send. So that worksheet you try to complete on your own. Why? Because it is very easy. I'm not going to give any solutions for that. Just key will be sent, answers will be sent directly. Okay, thank you. We'll meet on the we'll meet in the next video by Monday or Tuesday. WhatsApp message will be sent before that. Okay, right.